Okay, we got a tree to take down. Nasty ash. That one right there has to come down because it's dropping limbs. Dropped one on the driveway last night, yesterday afternoon. So we got to get her took down before it hurts somebody. And so I've been sawing on it a little bit. I had to change my chain because it was dull and was taking too long to cut. So now, got a different chain in it. I had to tighten it down a little bit because it was getting too loose after I made the change. It was kind of an old chain and kind of half stiff, so I had to loosen it up a little bit. She's loosed up. I tightened her down. Let's see if we can get this doggone tree dropped. Now I ran it out of gas. Yay.